L'art Dirk Koy, que amb la peça Luftraum, a partir d'imatges gravades amb dron de paisatges urbans, interurbans, com rotondes i carreteres, ens proposa, a partir d'un collage procedural, uns loops infinits, uns collages hipnòtics d'aquests paisatges urbans.
In general, I'm interested in the perception of everyday situations, and I like to show them in a different way. So I explore my surroundings with drones, videos and photo cameras. In my process, I really like to catch, especially in this work, to catch the city parts in a 90-degree angle. So you get this kind of super clear view onto the surface. And in general, I'm interested in the merge of the real and the digital space. And for me, I often feel torn between these two poles. And yeah, I experiment with these two poles, and I like this idea of open up the museum with this display.